Is your hot tub water cloudy? Your hot tub filters might be the issue. I'm Ezra with Hot Water Productions, and today we're going to be talking about the common issues with filters, how often to clean them, and also the different types. The most common type of filter is going to be your paper filter. So this is just a standard filter. It's got pleats. Debris gets trapped in there. You want to clean this about every 2 weeks, and you're going to want to replace this one about once a year. If you're unsure how to clean your filters, we do have a great video that we'll have linked that will show you how to clean your filters properly. Same for this one as well as the other one I'm about to go over next. All right, the next type of filter I'm going to talk about is specifically for the Highlife models for the hot spring spas. So these are actually a ceramic filter. As you can see, it's got a more chunky pleat to it. These are going to be able to pull much more water through them. They're going to last longer, and they're also just all around a little more durable. So these guys are going to last you about 2 years, give or take. And then you're going to want to clean these ones about once a month. And again, check out that filter video. We talk about rotating your filters and how to handle a Tri-X filter. But these guys are definitely really good. So if you have a hot spring spa, this is the way to go. All right, so this next filter I'm going to talk about is actually the sister of the Tri-X filter. And I actually just pulled this out of this new hot tub that we have on the floor here. This is the second version of the Tri-X filter. The main difference between this is it's actually going to filter out more particles in the water. So it's a micron filter. So the smaller particles are going to be captured by this filter. Same cleaning regimen, about once a month with rotating your filters. And it's going to last about the same amount of time, so about 2 years. Okay, the last type of filter I'm going to talk about is actually not a filter that goes in your hot tub, but is what filters the water going into your hot tub when you fill it. So this is a pre-filter. It's called the clean screen. Basically, you put a hose on the end, and you put this end into the hot tub, and you fill it up. It's got 10 uses. This is great for removing heavy metals from the water and also just other contaminants. So it also is good for removing bacteria off the fill as well. So if you have a well that you're pulling your water off of, or you just live somewhere far out that doesn't have as good water treatment, this is a great option, especially if you're going to be using the saltwater system or the freshwater IQ system. This is going to be very helpful for keeping good, long-lasting hot tub water. All right, this has been our video on hot tub filters. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment or come into Hot Water Productions and ask us a question or give us a call. Also, we're going to be doing a video on the new Tri-X filter as well, on how to clean that one. So look for that soon. Thanks for watching.